Hey there and welcome back to Garfin's creation. Warm your soul with this traditional East Indian chicken Kaal curry. This recipe is usually enjoyed during the rainy days or cold days or when somebody needs a comforting meal to get well soon. Let's make this wholesome and delicious chicken Kaal curry today. The detailed recipe is mentioned in the description box below. So these are all the ingredients which we need to grind and make a fine paste out of it. Major ingredients being garlic, peppercorn and coriander seeds. So now let's put all these ingredients into a mixie jar. There goes the pepper, jeera, coriander seeds, a little turmeric that is haldi powder, small piece of cinnamon, 1 elaichi, 3 cloves and lots of garlic. And I've cut the ginger into smaller pieces too. So we'll be adding water and grinding this into a fine paste. The masala paste is ready. So now let's check out the other ingredients as well. So this is 350 grams of chicken curry pieces. So these are the other ingredients as well. I'll be using a little atta to thicken the gravy and that is completely optional. We have some more crushed garlic, salt and Tej Patta. We will be making this in a cooker. So I've just added 1 tablespoon of ghee into it. The ghee is hot and we'll be adding the crushed garlic into it. Just fry it for a few seconds till it gets a little brown. Frying the garlic in ghee gives a really nice rich taste. Now next into this will go in 2 Tej Patta, that is bay leaf. Fry the Tej Patta as well. And next into this will be adding the ground masala paste. While grinding the masala, you can add water and grind it so it becomes a very thin paste. We'll just add that and give it a mix. Fry the masala well for about 3 to 4 minutes and do keep stirring that as well. As the masala cooks, you get a nice good aroma of the spices coming out. If you prefer, you can make the same recipe using paya too. For that, only the cooking time will be a little extra. So after stirring this for some time, the masala looks cooked now and it's time to add the chicken pieces into it. Chicken with bones is best for this soup. Mix that well and now to season this, we'll be adding salt. Add salt as per your taste and liking. And also rinse the mixie jar with half a cup of water and add that too and give it a mix. I'll also be adding an extra half cup of water. So in total, I have used 1 small glass of water for this. Mix all the ingredients well now. And next into this, I'll be adding the atta into it. The atta is just going to give a little body and thicken the gravy. The atta is optional and that can be skipped as well. Now after mixing everything well, we'll let this cook and let it just start to boil. And once you see it a little bubbling, we will cover the cooker and let it cook for at least 3 whistles. Cooking it in the cooker, you really get the good taste out of the chicken. Once done, let the cooker be that way and let it get depressurized on its own. Once you open it, you can check for the consistency and the salt if required to be adjusted. This gravy is just perfect. If required, you can adjust by adding more or less water into this. This chicken kaal is perfectly cooked. So without wasting time, let's plate it and enjoy it. This chicken soup is so simple yet flavor-packed soup known for its comforting warmth, making it perfect during the monsoons, chilly evenings or whenever you're down with cold. I'll be enjoying this with some nice kadak pav. It can be had with rice as well. So you too can make and enjoy this soup whenever it's cold or you're feeling sick. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Garfin's Creation. More recipes coming up. Till then, take care and bye-bye.